Okay, now rock, paper, scissors me.
What?
We play rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets 2 turns.
Why?
Just cuz. It makes it more interesting. Ha! Kiss it.
Ow!
Hey, what channel would y'all like to hear?
Try the classic hip-hop station.
Hey, you there. I am Storm. I ain't judge. And I love war. Like,
They're not getting the signal that strongly.
Dude, I can make it out. What the hell? I love that song!
Well, Eddie and I don't want to listen to static, okay?
I'm cool with whatever, man.
I'm leaving it on the crunk station.
Rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Well, it's my turn, then yours.
I'm pretty sure it was my turn last round.
I beg to differ. It was my turn. I got 2 turns. Besides, you win anyways.
Yeah, boy.
Don't touch me. Start over.
Okay, man. Don't you love this song? The master of Yeet is such a good producer.
Yeah, I guess. Rock, paper, scissors.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha! I win.
Hey, wait a minute. It was my turn.
Well, switches off each game.
Ow!
X, why do you always come over here and it's raining?
Because my mom's busy, man. She's been working on some project with her boyfriend, and they need the house themselves for concentration. Alright? I don't like it, and you sure as hell don't want to get involved. So shut up. Interrogate Eddie instead. He's here too.
X, calm yourself and shut up. Eddie can stay, cuz
I'll get it.
it's my house, you hoe. Hello? Eddie, can you turn the radio down, please?
Alright, bro.
Eddie! Thanks.
Pass the phone to X and there won't be any problems.
It's for you, X. It's your mother.
What is it, Mom?
Try again, sweetie.
Shut up, Gabe. What do you want?
I've got a, job for you.
Just get ready to do it. Trace this call.
I need you to get me a body for some experiments. I know that sounds creepy, but it's for science.
He's getting really creepy. Where the fuck is he?
He's about 50 feet from the house.
I'm not touching the body, by the way. My scientists are going to utilize it to clone Koala Man.
1 second, we've got another call. Nobody goes outside. What a pisser. What an inbred cock monkey face look.
It's a different number. Give me the phone. Hello?
Hey, Rody. How's it going?
Hey, Zach.
Hi, Zack.
Faggot.
Yeah, man. Fuck you too,
X. Rody, I'm in my car right now. Can I come over?
Are you on your way?
No, I'm stuck in downpour and I hit something. Might have been a wild boar. Or some really short pedestrian. Whatever the case, I'm stuck in mud. And there's monsters outside.
And
Yeah, don't get out of your car. Gabe's out there.
So?
The scientists are looking for a teenage body, so they might kill you and steal your shell.
Shell?
Shell, just another word for body.
Gabe's tapping this call.
Shit, can you trace it to where I am?
Maybe. I'll call you on a different phone. Ente on the DOA and UG play in your ICME. He'll figure it out. He's a smart guy. I think.
Fuck. What? Okay, got it.
Zach, can you hear me?
Yes, how can you call my car? It's an old minivan, for fuck's sake.
Zach, are you there? The latency is very... Yeah, I can hear you. It's a full 2 seconds before I can hear you and vice versa.
Are you still there?
Ow! What are your headphones plugged into? Because they can't be plugged directly into aux. Otherwise I get your signal through the car radio. It might shut circuit or some shit. I don't... Ah! Plug in the webcam mic that you always have in the car. I don't know, figure it out.
This goat is fluffy.
Is that Ali? Hi, Ali. Why do you have a goat?
What, can you see us?
Yeah, I don't know from where, though. Oh, your webcam.
Let me reposition it.
No.
Well, we're all alone now, Allie. And we got that goat. What should we do with it? Let's keep it. Let's send it out as a decoy so we can run to Rody's house. We're on Cherry Road, I think. There.
What?
It's the only shit we have. Go!
I'll get
No,
it.
you moron. It might be Gabe. What an asshole.
It's Zack! Hi, Zack!
Where's Ali?
He's, right behind. Oh, shit.
That's just not what you want?
Now that's just not what you want.
That's not a teenager.
Cute goat kid.
Holy shit, they came out of nowhere!
It can talk. It sounds like a pterodactyl looking for its young one. Is it okay? Like, at all? Then it's no god.
Oh well, I suppose we can kidnap him, raise him until he's a teenager, then kill him and use his mob's form.
Not so fast.
Why, hello, Rody.
Shut up, Gabe.
Do you boys have a body?
Yeah, it's over by.
Under the port at the creek.
Oh, how convenient.
Shut up, Gabe.
Whatever. See you boys later.
What a fucking idiot.
Hey, the rain's clearing up.
What should we do with that goat?
Let's keep it.
Great idea.
I didn't say anything.
Whatever, wanna watch some dinosaurs?
Why not just hang out outside now that there's no rain? Ha, I'm just fucking with you. Let's go watch dinosaurs.
This is
Yeah.
awesome.
Hey, where's the goat?
Well, that's gonna be a problem.